everybody, Cherish Messy Painter here. Today I'm working on a wrecked puddle pour. I've never done one before. I'm super excited. I've seen Molly from Molly's Artistry do this, and she does it so perfectly that I just had to try. I'm going to be wrecking my puddles with a bamboo skewer. This seems crazy to me, but the way hers come out is just awesome, so I have to give it a try. My base will be Amsterdam's Oxide Black mixed with Mars Black. I have Pearl Blue by Amsterdam, Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam, and then Pearl Red by Amsterdam. Technically, to me, I think this looks more pink than red, but we'll see what happens against the black. So, wish me luck. I'm about ready to make a mess.
Started to change. Started to feel covered in chaos. And it was somewhere then. Don't look at me.
I am really excited how this has turned out. I can already tell where the gold is and where the red / pink is in the blue. I kind of wish that I had maybe even wrecked it a little bit more. So I think the next one I might wreck it more. I can see where it moves and it creates some really cool movement. I'm very tempted. And I always do this to myself where I start thinking and going, oh, you're going to ruin it. I think that I would like this area right here to just be a little bit, yeah, just have a little bit more movement to it.
And that's when the colors started to change.
I'm gonna let this dry and we will see what it looks like tomorrow. That was fun. I think I have to do more. See you in a little bit. It is really cool. I mean, I really, really, really love it. I love how it slowly revealed itself over the last 2.5 days, which was driving me nuts. I really wanted to see how it was going to be dry. I enjoyed this process so much, I have to do it again. I mean, I knew that that was going to look more pink than red, so I just loved the way it looked, and I'm so excited to try this again. This is a 10 by 20, and I will be doing this on a 12 by 24 next, because it's just so cool. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please consider doing that. It's completely free. And I would like to thank the over 50 new followers I got in the last week. That is just awesome. I appreciate every single one of you and all you old school people who have been following me forever. Thank you. And I cannot wait for the next project. See you very soon. Okay, I'm beyond excited how this is turning out. I think I did too many small little pillow, blah, blah, blah.